Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another scrapbook haul. This one is kind of special because it's mainly baby products. But I did purchase 4 things that was not baby products, so we'll go through those first. I am obsessed with these washi tape stickers from 49 Market, so I got the one that I didn't have, the Gardenia Washi Butterfly. Gorgeous. Those are going to be fun to use. Then I got the laser cutouts from the Vintage Artistry. It's like a summer collection. Then I got the Everywhere Cluster Kit. I am loving those. So I'm going to get one at a time. And then I got a random piece of paper because it was on sale. And it's kind of neutral. And I thought I would, get that while I could before they're all sold out. Okay, so let's start. It's kind of, little bits and pieces from different collections. I don't find there's a lot out there for babies. So this one is from Echo Park. It's kind of gender neutral, that one, because it's kind of brownish and greenish, but that's okay. I don't mind doing, not all pink pages, right? So this is also from that same collection. I like that. Then there was a sticker sheet, which is super cute. Then this one here. Then there was some blanks, and those were all on sale. So I got those at 50% off, which can't go wrong, right? 50% off. I like this one because it has like brand new first month to 12 months. So I love that. I'm not going to use this side. I'm totally going to use this side. If you didn't know, I'm going to be making a sort of like project life album for Lexi I want to do every week, 52 weeks of her, first year. So this is really going to help. And then there's this one, which is super cute. And then a sticker sheet from Photo Play. Now I might have 2 of those because I bought the collection, but that's fine. So this is Hush Little Baby Girl. And then I got this one. Alexa, change my diaper. Her name is Alexis, so pretty close. Okay. Now, let's look at this. This one is a different collection. It's Boho Baby by Simple Stories. This one is kind of neutral too, Gonna have different colors. I'm gonna have some pink stuff, but I'm also gonna have some neutral stuff because 52 weeks is a lot to be doing. I'm gonna be doing, most of them as a project life style, but I'm gonna be doing some full pages also within there. So this is that Photo Play collection, Hush Little Baby Girl. So I definitely will have 2 of those sticker sheets and 2 of those sheets, and that is a-okay. That is just fine because I want to make more than one album too, because I'm going to give one to them, and then I'd like to have one too. Now this, as you can tell, was 50% off. It's the 6x6 paper pad, Our Baby. Gorgeous papers. So I'm happy I got that. Then they had one collection, Our Baby Girl by Echo Park, and it's like everything was in there. It was not cheap, but it has everything. Plus I got 15% off, which was awesome. That's why I decided to go ahead and get this, was because of the 15% off. At least I saved the tax, right? Okay, let's see everything that's in here. There's quite a bit of stuff. So there is the collection, which has 12 by 12 and element stickers. And look at those pattern papers. Cuteness overload. And here's the sticker sheet so you can see it up close. That is so cute. Then there's cardstock. There's 6 cardstock, and here are the colors. So love that. Then there's some chipboard accent. Love that. Here's some more, but it's chipboard phrases. So I love that. Then there's some enamel dots that coordinates with the collection. There's some puffy stickers. Then there is some die-cut cardstock stickers. I'll bring it up so you can kind of see. Super cute. And then some frames and tags. That's awesome. Let's see what else we got in here. I got a few more things that were at 50% off, which I'm really happy. This is some ephemera or die cuts that go with that photo play collection, Hush Little Baby. So I like that. I got 2 rolls of washi tape because, to tell you the truth, I don't think I have any baby washi tape. So this is like pins. And then this one was Welcome Baby Girl. And both of those were at 50% off. So I got them for $2 and some each. So that was nice. Then these were 50% off too. The Our Baby collection. This is the die cuts. Love those. Then the puffy stickers from the Boho Baby collection. And then this one is the Our Baby collection. Some chipboard accents. Super cute. Then we got, or I got some Boho Baby, the sticker book. And I love those because you get so much stuff, right? So many stickers. 391 stickers. So we are going to be good. Then we have from the Boho Baby, the chipboards. It says stickers, but they look like chipboard to me. Yeah, they're chipboard. Yeah, 6x12 chipboard. And that piece here is right there, so it's not missing. Love that. Then we got this at 50% off. They are some cardstock. Love that. One more piece of paper, and it's this one by Boho Baby. It has all kinds of little critters on this side that I can cut apart, or I can use the hearts. So that's it. That is everything that I got to get myself started on this album, this first year album for Lexi. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.